Alrighty, we're running down the cornux here. Oh, okay, we got a dog. Oh, we better be careful. We better be careful. Don't want to scare the little pup. Come on, thumpy, thumpy, thumpy. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. You know what? This is just like, it's one of those ones that I feel like I'm getting taken back to, you know, my granddad's days or something. Like, this is what he would have been blasting around on, having a load of fun. Fuck! Holy shit! That was a bum clincher! He was on the other side of the road! Fucking hell! Holy shit! Fucking learn how to drive, bro! Woo, that was almost bye-bye for the little classic, eh? Holy shit! Oh, that was dodgy as! Oh, far out! Oh, well, it's only me life's work, isn't it? Jesus Christ! Okay, look at that! Just straight up to 100! No problems at all! Let's see, eh? Tap her out! Tap her out! Come on! 120. It actually sits pretty steady high speed. It sits pretty steady high speed, not gonna lie. This is top speed, 130 or 128. Nice! It's a beauty! What a good little bike! It actually gets there real quick and it just stops. It's I think if it was geared differently it'd probably go a bit further, to be honest. But yeah, far out. Jeez, that was a close one, wasn't it? Oh God. Okay, that was a bit of fun.